Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add border to table in Google slide presentation. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have created a table and then I'm going to show you how we can add border to this table. First of all, I'm going to select my table like this, and after the table has been selected, we can go to the border weight and then you can increase the border weight here like this, for example, and then I'm going to change the color as well. So I'm going to go to the border color and I'm going to change it to white. Okay, if you want, you can also change the border dash. Okay, and I'm just going to try this one. Okay, and wait, let me get back this border. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add border to table in Google slide presentation. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.